Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Winnebago County in North Central Illinois, Boone County in North Central Illinois, until midnight. At 11:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Love Park, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Love Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, Poplar Grove, Candlewood Lake, Cherry Valley, Timberlane, Garden Prairie, and Caledonia. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 121 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 5 and 31. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, and Rockford Speedway. Service. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southeastern Walworth, southwestern Lacey.